Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're going to take a look at the Elusive Leviathan. This isn't the hidden Leviathan, this isn't an Easter egg, this is a Leviathan that is currently in the game files but does not currently appear inside of the game. Now the first thing I'm going to do before we spawn this critter is I'm going to toggle off the fog in the game so you can kind of see everything that the game has to offer, including the collector Leviathan chilling out over there in his domain. I've actually never even looked around down here. There's all kinds of goodies down here, and you can see that big tree in the distance. So now I think is a perfect time to kick on the the Elusive Leviathan with F9. So here he is. This is the Elusive Leviathan. He's got like a pair of big old wendigo antlers, and he spawns like a smoke to hide himself if you get too close. He's currently, I believe, the biggest Leviathan inside of the game right now. And so if we get real close to him, he actually spawns some smoke to hide himself. It looks really cool though. It sounds kind of freaky. Hi buddy. Are you gonna try to escape now, or what's the plan, big man? He is definitely large and in charge, that is for sure. He almost looks like somebody crossed a deer with a giant, like, orca whale. I'm definitely getting mad, like, wendigo vibes from this bad boy. He bridges this massive trench that the collector Leviathan hangs out in very easily. Although still no like interaction between them. So the AIs definitely don't do any infighting in the game right now. Just kind of exists and does stuff. I'm gonna see if I can like trigger him to spawn his smoke, his escape smoke. Come on, bud. You can do it. I believe in you. Come on, give us a little, like, give us a little hide. No, I don't think I'm going to be able to get him to trigger his smoke, but he does have a smoke that he can trigger in order to hide and run away. Maybe if I get close enough to his head. Well, so far no luck. I wonder what he looks like if we turn the fog back on. Toggle fog. Whoa. Well, that is a little freaky when you toggle the fog back on. Can't tell where you're going or where you're coming from or anything. He is humongous. Well, anyway, that's what the Elusive Leviathan looks like. Well, there's no actual instructions on how to make it disappear itself, so I'm gonna guess that it just doesn't always trigger it. So there you have it. So this has been a quick look at the Elusive Leviathan inside of Subnautica 2. I hope you found this interesting. I think he looks really cool. Doesn't look entirely finished yet though, because he doesn't really have much in the way of textures going on yet. But, you know, that's alright. There's plenty of time to add more detail to this critter then add him back to the main game. I don't know if I would guess it's gonna be in the next big, like, content update or not, but who knows. Then I can despawn him by hitting F8. And then he goes away, never to be seen again until found in the next big content update, perhaps. That'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.